Hello guys, I'm doing an unboxing of the One More Quad Driver earbuds. So, these I bought for $149, but they can go down to $100 sometimes, which is a great deal for these from what I've heard about them. So, let me open this up. I'm just doing an unboxing, but I will do a full video on sound quality and all later. So, okay, well, here is the packaging. So, it has this nice textured box with a magnetic hold here, and it looks kind of like a book. So, let's open it. Okay, so, right here they have a bunch of, writings about what it looks like, and talks about, the sounds and just, the design of it, right? Okay, guys, so here it is. I had some trouble taking off the plastic because I didn't bring a knife, so you guys won't be able to see that. But yeah, so first let me take this out. This is a leather carrying case, which has some of the earbuds in it. So let me take the earbuds out also. These ear tips are falling down. So here are the earbuds right here. They look pretty nice. I'm gonna put these off to the side. Some non-edible beats. And here's the leather carrying case that's magnetically holded. So it comes with a lot of pairs of ear tips for you. It comes with the airplane adapter here. And what is that? Alright, I'll get to that later. And this is for if you're gonna plug this into your I think guitars and amps and stuff. So yeah, a bunch of some stickers, I'm telling you about the company, I guess, here, and stuff about these earbuds, and the guide. So, this is very scuffed review, but, these are the earbuds. They look really nice, and I'll do a full review on these later. Alright, see you guys next time, and bye.